Okay, parang kapatid ko ng paring. Okay. Happy birthday. Many. More points.
And always kept me in the dark.
Salamat Tito for the invite. Bigla. Galing ako ng food spa. I wish you many more birthdays to come. And I hope you enjoy.
Life is good, yeah. Life is good, yeah. Yeah, in my darkest times, you got me feeling like I've been walking on air. Left all my worries and cares. I've got no burdens around you. I don't care who knows I love you. 'Cause I've been so lost without you.
Hi Gami, happy 60th birthday. Enjoy the perks of being 60. Ma-enjoy mo na rin lahat ng na-enjoy naming mga 60 years old. Again, happy birthday.
Yeah, in my darkest times, you got me feeling like.
Hi Tito Gami, happy 60th birthday. Wish ko lang, syempre good health, tapos alagaan mo yung sarili mo kasi solo sa bahay. Nandito lang kami mga pamangkin mo. Thank you sa lahat ng mga ng support. Ayan, happy birthday ulit.
Siyempre na-miss niya to. Kala niya tomorrow pa yung birthday celebration ni Gami. Gami, wish ko lang na maging masaya ka palagi, good health, and long friendship. Basta keep on praying lang na masama-sama pa rin tayo ng matagal.
Alagaan mo ang health mo, alam mo naman, may lahi tayong mga high blood, tsaka diabetic. Sana laging pagpasko, magkasama pa rin tayo para syempre alam mo na yung mga regalo natin dyan.
Oh, happy birthday ulit sa'yo, Utol. And welcome to the club. Dual citizen ka na rin, Filipino citizen ka na, senior citizen ka pa. Naway ma-enjoy natin ang ating senior moments hanggang sa umabot tayo na katulad ng sa ating tatay, sa ating daddy na umabot ng 96. Naway magkasama-sama tayo tuwing Pasko, bagong taon at mga birthdays na katulad dito. Happy birthday again.
And I said, ooh, what would you do if you could lose all your burdens? Yeah. And I said,
So my wish for Gami is happy birthday, God bless, at pagpatuloy mo lang yung mga ginagawa mo, lalo na sa mga pamangkin mo, hindi mo sila nakakalimutan.
all your burdens, yeah, all your burdens, all your burdens.
Tsaka enjoy mo ang senior citizen discount natin, libre mo kami, tas tayo ka nang uwi ng Tanay, ha?